Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Light Mcqueen and Mater gift box. So this box I made with a red barrel pizza box and all kinds of packaging boxes like cereal boxes, Cheez-Its, popcorn, cake boxes, any other boxes that I feel like to save it and create a box like this. So this box measurement is 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters, and it is 7 centimeters tall, and in inches is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and it is 2 inches and 3/4 tall. And inside the box, I glue a yellow cardstock, and on the bottom of the box, I glue a red ribbon. And for the box lid, I just go with the same yellow cardstock, and then I decide to glue the stickers in here with the Light Mcqueen. And in here, there's Light Mcqueen with the yellow car, and in here, there's Light Mcqueen with Jackson Storm. So in here, I glue this red paper with the stars, which this one is the Mickey Mouse paper that I decided to use on the Light Mcqueen gift box. And in here, I decided to go with this other paper, and then I glue a green ribbon, and then I added the stickers in here, which make this box way too cute with the stickers. So cute. So make a box like this. It seems to be a lot of work, but it is worth it. Look at the final result. It's what counts. It just turned out so cute, and I love it. I love to make boxes like this. It's a hobby for me. It's another way that you can recycle packaging boxes, and you can use it, use scrapbook papers too. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I would love to have you here. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.